This could be the car for you. The 2021 Dodge Durango. The Durango delivers rugged, full-size SUV power and capability, advanced safety features, refined comfort, third-row spaciousness, and the bold spirit born of muscle car heritage. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get the SUV that's got the style and strength to get the job done right. Test drive the Durango.